Get ready to enter the chaotic, adorable, and extremely social world of Capy Air, the airport simulator, where the planes aren't the problem. It's the capybaras. Your mission? Help these delightfully scatterbrained cappies board their flight. The challenge? They've wandered everywhere. You'll be leaping from suitcase to suitcase like a caffeinated frog trying to round them up before takeoff. You start with 90 seconds and 4 cappies to catch, but every level gets harder, with new cappies, new destinations, and less time on the clock. Think you're fast? Great! Now be fast with friends. This simulator is built to be social. Sure, you can go solo, but trust us, it's way more fun and way less stressful with the crew. Strategize with your teammates. Do you all run around aimlessly, or do you divide and conquer different parts of the terminal? Communication is key. If you spot a capybara near your teammate, let them know. Everybody needs to get boarded on time. Play together and unlock bonus perks, like that magical extra time cloud. 2 or more players on the cloud. Boom! You've just earned 30 more seconds of cappy chasing madness.
Vacation time!
And it's not all chaos. You'll learn geography too. Each level features iconic landmarks. Big Ben, Hello London, the Colosseum, Ciao Rome. It's like a world tour if the tour guide was late because a capybara took their passport. Oh, and don't forget those leaderboards. Compete with friends, compare scores, and find out who's truly the cappy boss of the skies. So grab your friends, sync up your strategies, and get ready for the most delightfully chaotic airport experience ever, capybara style. Capy Air, Friendly Skies, the super social simulation game where teamwork takes off. And every friend is part of the ground crew.